और भ्रमण करते करते क्या होता है, जिस शरीर में प्रवेश करना है भगवान सब कुछ व्यवस्था करते हैं। जैसे कि कोई घासों में आश्रय ले लेते हैं, फलों में आश्रय लेते हैं, जिस घास में अथवा फल में आश्रय ले लेते हैं, फिर वो फल जो खा लेते हैं वो कौन खाए? एक विचार देते हैं, जैसे पुरुष खा लेते हैं, उसमें तो आत्मा है, सूक्ष्म शरीर के अंदर आत्मा रहती है। वो आत्मा पहले कैसे प्रवेश करते हैं? पुरुष शरीर में चले जाते हैं, फिर पुरुष शरीर के द्वारा फिर वो स्त्री शरीर में प्रवेश करते हैं। स्त्री शरीर के प्रवेश के बाद वो स्थूल शरीर को प्राप्त होता है। जैसे कि संसार में जैसे
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Please check. Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? And Shyama Priya Didi, please check that the Hindi voice is okay. Please check the Hindi voice is okay.
ये सब पूर्व निर्धारित सब होता है, ऐसे नहीं हो जाता है। इसके भी बहुत विवरण जो है श्रीमद् भागवत और पुराण में दिए हैं। एक शरीर
हरे कृष्णा।
मनुष्य शरीर प्राप्ति करना कितने दुर्लभ है।
So it's really hard to get the human body form. It's really hard. So Bhagwan is Bhagavata himself in saying the Gita, Bhagavatam, Labda Sudurlava like. This human body is getting this human body is really hard. It's not easy. So we are thinking we are getting from one body to another body. Oh, no, it's not easy. If so many people are getting married but they are not giving the birth to the child. So why? So if there is no wish of Bhagwan, so nobody can get the human body. And if many are going in the womb of the mother, if there is no wish of Bhagwan, so they cannot come out from the womb of mother. So in the many childs died in the womb of the mothers because they can find death anyhow. So after getting the womb of the mother, but still they are not coming out from the womb. They died there. They cannot come out from the womb of mother. So many people died the child very forcefully. So there is a rules of the government. Some people are thinking. So in the womb which there is a lady, so they don't want that. So they give some medicines for killing the child in the womb, which is called the Bhrun Hatya. In the womb they are killing the child. Abortion is dying. Which is called the abortions. The abortion is the crime in India and everywhere. So even some jivas, they are staying in the womb of the mother some days, and after staying in womb of mother, so when they come out from the womb of the mother, they died. So many cases we have seen like this in our life. So if anyhow they have come out from the womb of the mother, so there are many kinds of disease and many kinds of things, miseries are suffering. Because why I'm saying all these things? So it's really hard to get one human form of a jiva, of a soul. This is very rare. After so many births, so Bhagwan by his mercy give us human body. We are not getting this human body just like only easily. So if you hear these all things, so your heart will be melted. So how we get this human body? And there are many kinds of human bodies also.
ये साधारण नहीं।
4
इसमें कहते हैं 84 लाख जन
4 lakh प्रकार के होते हैं.
भ्रमण करते करते
So after wandering in the 84 lakhs of species, then we get this human body.
इतना साल किसी
So it's not easy to get this human body. It's very rare, very rare.
मनुष्यम असदम अनित्यम अपयधीर पूर्णम जते नमते मृत्यु जाव जब हम अपनी उसमें सब लिखा रहता है हमारे
So everything is mentioned there when we come out from the womb of the mother.
अनुसार
According to our previous birth karmas,
सब लिखा रहता है
everything is mentioned that how many days you have to stay in this world.
शरीर छोड़ना है फिर दूसरे कहां पर जाना सब कुछ स्टेटमेंट सब
So how many days you have to stay in this world, and after how many days you will go out from this world.
ऐसे हम शरीर छोड़ के चले जाओ
So you cannot go out from this body easily in this world. Maybe someone came to me and he was telling something. He was not able to, he was very poor and he was not able to running his livelihood, his family life. So what he did, he put kerosene on his body and put fire there.
और किसी ने देख लिया उसको बचा दिया
And somebody saw and saved him, saved that lady. And she was not died.
कैसे रहा
So how she is still alive?
ना उनकी कर्म ही उसकी मौत
Because his previous karma, his prarabdha was not making him die. So how many years you have to stay in this body? So it's only predestined.
नहीं हो हजार तुम प्रयास करने
So if there is no time to that, so if you try thousands of times, you cannot die.
और कुछ प्रयास नहीं करो
And if you are not doing anything, still you die.
समय आने पर
When your time has come, so you will die spontaneously. So anyhow you will leave this body.
बहाना लेकर
So we just take some reasons, some causes according to our previous karma.
छूटने का केवल एक बहाना मात्र है
So leaving this body just a cause. That somebody is suffering from fever, somebody is suffering from some disease. This is all are the just causes. But actually, when your time will come, then you will die.
शरीर में तुम्हें दूसरे दिन तक रहना
So it's already mentioned and prescribed that how long you have to stay in this body. 50 years, 60 years, how many time?
के बाद
And after that you will leave this body. Spontaneously you will leave. Just like the snake actually. A snake just like leave his skin upper side. In the same way, when your time will come, your soul will leave this body. So the soul will enter into the another species, another body. There was one kind of jonk. There is a insect. It's walk like this.
उनको स्थान को पकड़ के पिछले स्थान को तब छोड़ देते हैं क्या बोला बताओ जो कैसे चलते हैं उनका स्थान छोड़ के
On there is kinds of snakes. So it leaves the.
पहले पकड़ता है और फिर पीछे के स्थान अपने उठा देते हैं
So first he catch the further sides of the any places and then he leaves back sides. It is mentioned in the Bhagavatam.
शरीर से दूसरे शरीर
So in the same way,
तुम्हारे घर को मानो 80 साल रहना
just suppose that you have to stay in one body 80 years.
पूरा हो जाए
So when your 80 years will be complete,
सब प्रस्तुत है तो ये शरीर में छोड़ दूसरे शरीर में
so everything is already managed there though, in another body. So once he will leave this body, he will already enter into that body.
अब पीछे के शरीर छोड़ देते हैं
So he will enter in that body and then he will leave this body. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned.
शरीर के छोड़कर दूसरे शरीर में कैसे जाए
So how Atma, the soul, is going from one body to another body? Jatha Jokavad. There is kinds of worm or insect. So who is sucking the blood of the human being. So first he will catch the further side, then it will leave from back side. You have seen the jock. I don't know what is in English jock. There is kinds of worm or insect.
उसी प्रकार आप
Leech.
एक शरीर से दूसरे
Leech. Jock. Leech. There is a jock. Jock means leech.
मृत्यु शरीर छोड़ने हम मृत्यु कहते हैं
So what is that actually? We leaving this body, we are saying that. But
बहाना
so we are just taking some causes. He has died from heart attack, he has died from fever. So how long you have to how the soul have to live in this body? It is all predestined.
इसलिए तो इसके श्रीमद् भागवत
That's why in the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
बोले अर्जुन के पुत्र
Arjun's Abhimanyu, Arjun's sons Abhimanyu.
अर्जुन तो शोक में मोहित हो गए, पुत्र शोक में।
So Arjun was so much grief in his in the sorrow of his son death.
मामा लगते हैं।
Are who the Bhagwan himself, who is his mama?
अभिमन्यु किसके पुत्र है?
Abhimanyu is the son of Subhadra,
और कृष्ण स्वयं जो है
and
उसको कहा कि केवल अर्जुन को
Krishna himself,
विद्या शिक्षा दिया।
he told all kinds of lessons to Abhimanyu.
आज किंतु देखो
But what happened?
उनको क्या कैसे
At the battlefield,
एक नहीं
he left his body.
महायुद्ध
Not only one, there are seven warriors collected themselves
प्रवेश करके
and then collected themselves and killed the Abhimanyu.
जो स्वयं भगवान सुदर्शन चक्र के द्वारा सबकी रक्षा करते हैं।
So Bhagwan, who is saving everybody by his Sudarshan Chakra,
परीक्षित महाराज की रक्षा किया कि नहीं?
he saved the Parikshit Maharaj in the form of Uttara.
उत्तरा का गर्भ अश्वत्थामा
Ashwathama. When Ashwathama,
समाज अब
he left the Brahmastra,
उस ब्रह्मास्त्र अर्जुन भी ब्रह्मास्त्र थे, दोनों ब्रह्मास्त्र।
so Arjun also leave the Brahmastra.
ने कहा
At that time Vyasdev said,
ब्रह्मास्त्र वापस
Arjun, you take back your Brahmastra. So when Krishna said, so Arjun take back his Brahmastra. But Ashwathama, now when he said to Ashwathama, you take back your Brahmastra, so he said, I don't know this kinds of lesson that how to take back the Brahmastra. I cannot take it back. I don't know. I am not aware about this, how to take it back.
दिशा जो है बदल दो।
So he said, please change. Vyasdev said, please change the side of this Brahmastra. So at that time, what Ashwathama did, he is very rascal.
असत होने के भी
What he did?
ब्रह्मास्त्र जो है देखो उत्तरा के गर्भ की तरफ
So he shifted the Brahmas into the womb of Uttara, Parikshit Maharaj. In that time, in the womb of Uttara, who was there? Parikshit Maharaj. And Uttara was so much trembling that time.
पांडवों के पास रहा और एक स्वरूप में विष्णु के रूप में उत्तरा के गर्भ में प्रवेश करके अपने गदाओं को जाओ ब्रह्मास्त्र भी है
So Bhagwan himself, he went into the womb of Uttara and he saved Parikshit Maharaj. Why the Brahmas?
रक्षा करने के लिए उत्तरा
So
के
for
गर्भ में
saving,
प्रवेश किया, अपने
so saving the womb of Uttara, why his gada, what we say, gada, club, why his club he saved, club, yes, why he saved Parikshit Maharaj.
प्रश्न तो उठा है
So Bhagwan was not able to save the Abhimanyu.
क्यों नहीं रक्षा नहीं
No, he can save him,
वो जिसका में जो है
but
अब उस समय
at that time
असत देखिए बोले अभिमन्यु जो है
Abhimanyu, he was alone. He was alone in the battlefield that time, and he didn't have any kinds of weapons.
एक नहीं वो चक्रव्यूह के अंदर प्रवेश करके
Not only one, there are 7 Chakravyu.
सात जो है
Chakravyu.
महारथी द्रोणाचार्य
So Maharati, Dronacharya,
कर्ण
Karna,
जयद्रथ
Jayadratha.
ये समस्त जो है
So many kinds of Maharati, many soldiers. They attacked Abhimanyu.
फिर जयद्रथ ने क्या की
And what Jayadratha did? So he killed him with his sword from the backside.
महात्मा की रक्षा करने के लिए स्वयं
So Bhagwan couldn't help him. No, he can.
प्रवेश किया
Bhagwan, for saving Parikshit Maharaj, he entered in the womb of Uttara. But why he didn't save his brother?
कितने साल 16 साल की
Abhimanyu was just 16 years old. Where is the issue of not issue? Where?
और उनके पुत्र कौन था इसमें उनके विवाह भी हुए थे
Who is writing you?
हैं? हाँ बताओ कितने करोड़ दुष्ट
So it was very emotional scene
कितने समय तक रहा
because Abhimanyu has to live there for that years. That's why that many years. That's why Bhagwan didn't save him. So predestined. Everything is predestined and fixed that how long you will stay in this world. So if you try to die today, you cannot die. And if you are not trying any effort, so still you cannot die. You can die.
हम तो कहते हैं ये मार दिया वो कर दिया
Sometimes you are saying, oh, he has died by this and that. No, it's not actually like this. Everything is predestined already. So how long you have to stay in this words is already written.
इसलिए हम जो कथा प्रसंग जो
So the katha we were talking about.
जीव इस संसार में कैसे
So how the jeev is coming in this world?
तो भगवान की जो आविर्भाव भंगी प्रकट ऐसे नहीं है, जैसे हम जो प्रकट भगवान के जन्म जो लीला
So now we are talking about the Bhagwan Avirbhav.
बद्ध जीव के भांति एक शरीर से दूसरे ऐसे तो भगवान को कैसे
It's not like the Baddha Jeev
अपनी
that
स्वेच्छा से
Bhagwan himself, he comes in this world and himself by his desire he goes from this world. And he came himself from in this world and he's showing the, oh, I'm taking the word from the womb of mother. So that's why Bhagwan in the Gita is saying Janma Karma Cha Me Didvam.
त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्मं
ये मेरा जो जन्म
So my janma, my born and
ये सब क्या है
born and everything and my activities all are transcendental. So Baddha Jeev cannot understand that.
तथापि भगवान लोक शिक्षा के लिए
So just for the Lok Shiksha, for giving the lesson to the general peoples,
गर्भ के आश्रय
he is taking the shelter of the womb of mother.
देवकी के गर्भ से गर्भस्तुति है
He
देवकी के
came.
गर्भ में कौन है
Who is in the womb of Devaki? Krishna himself.
इसलिए क्षमा हृदय अंशेन पूर्ण भगवान कहाँ प्रकट हो रहे
Braj mein.
ब्रजेंद्र संसुंदर मां
So the Purna Bhagwan is appearing where? In Mother Yashoda's womb, and his Ansh, his part is taking birth in Devki's wombs.
एक अंशी और एक
Ansh. So one is Anshi, one is part, and one is the
अंशी और एक
Ansh. One is Anshi.
अंशी कौन है ब्रजेंद्र संसुंदर मुक्त अवतार और वही सर्व अवतार कृष्ण मां के गर्भ से जन्म है दिखा रही और उनके अंश भी अंश कौन वासुदेव कृष्ण है वहां पर ये दिखा है
So the Bhagwan himself, Vasudev Krishna, he took the birth from the womb of Mother Devaki, and the Purna Bhagwan, Brajendrandan Shyam Sundar, he took the birth from the womb of Yashoda.
मां जगह के गर्भ से कृष्ण क्या लिया जन्म
So here we are seeing that in the Gokul, Krishna took the birth from the womb of Mother Yashoda.
देवकी के
So which is what we call it Avirbhav Divas.
आविर्भाव का प्रकट शब्द कहा जाता है
So from the womb of the Devaki, it is called Avirbhav or Prakat, appearance.
मां जगह के गर्भ से जो है आविर्भाव प्रकट ये शब्द नहीं कहा जाता
From the womb of Devaki, it is called Avirbhav and Prakat. But from the womb of Mother Yashoda, it is called Janma Leela. Okay, getting? From the womb of Devaki, it is called appearance, Prakat. But from the womb of Yashoda, it is said birth. Because he has taken birth from the womb of mother, womb of Yashoda. But in the Devaki, so he just appeared from there. He didn't took birth there. Getting?
भगवान वहीं पर जब प्रकट होते हैं और उस समय कैसे सुंदर स्थिति भी बता दी जाए
अरे तुम्हारा ईयरफोन देना ईयरफोन
और कौन सा ये गर्भ संहिता है
ईयरफोन है
वर्णन भी है
ईयरफोन
ये एक ही समय एक ही साथ में
ईयरफोन नहीं है
है।
ओह
नंद महाराज
In my
के
room-
पुत्री
in my room earphone is
यशोदा
there. Go and check.
और वसुदेव महाराज के पुत्री देवकी
ईयरफोन
पुत्र के जन्म
गो इन माय रूम
और है
ये टू हर गो
समन काले दूसरी बात है एक ही शब्द जो जन्म दिए है तो यहाँ पर लोग देखो कुछ लोग प्रश्न भी करते हैं
So some people arises questions here.
पिता के गर्भ में जब है कोई स्तुति नहीं सुना जाता है गर्भ स्तुति नहीं हो
So there is no Garva Stuti in the Yashoda's womb, Devki Stuti.
देवकी के
So there is Devta is doing the Stuti from the womb of
श्रीमद् भागवत में देवकी
वॉम्ब
की गर्भ स्तुति
Devki.
तो आप भी कहेंगे
So now the question arises.
गर्भ में जब ये स्तुति
So when Bhagwan took the birth from the Yashoda's womb, so why Devta didn't do the Stuti?
पर शास्त्र कहते नहीं
Scriptures are saying
जो माया के द्वारा
Devtas from the Yogma, they were attracted. They were not aware that he is Bhagwan himself.
जो वही सर्व अवतारी
the same avatari Krishna, he is going to take birth from her womb.
अथवा यह यदि कहो
And if you say,
फिर हमारे आचार्य पाद कहते हैं,
then our Acharya Pad is saying,
बोले जसोदा और
Yashoda and Devki,
ये जो दोनों जो नाम जो है इसके ओरिजिन नाम किसका है?
both names are
जसोदा की नाम,
Yashoda's origin.
नंद भार्या,
Yashoda name is origin.
यशोदा जो नंद भार्या नंद महाराज के पुत्र,
So the wife of Nanda Maharaj,
यशोदा के दो नाम,
Yashoda has two
एक
names.
है जसोदा,
One is Yashoda and second is Devki.
जहाँ पर श्रीमद्
So where in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Devki word is used, and Stuti is doing, actually that is,
जसोदा देवी की
so they are describing Yashoda. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad, in many places he has told Devki Nandan. Even in the Raslilas many shlokas he has retained Devki Nandan. So he sambodhit kiya hai. He has mentioned Krishna in the Devki Nandan there. Where is the shloka? Tatrami Shushobhate. Tatrami Shushobhate. क्या श्लोक है? Tatrami Shushubhate. So he in the same Ras Leela, anybody knows Tatravi Shushubhate? So when he was with Guru, you can ask there, the Taruni will tell.
गोपियों की कैसे सुंदर है, कैसे जथा हुई मना है, और गोपियों की ऐसे सुंदर जो है विग्रह करते हैं.
So the gopis' forms are so beautiful, just like the gold. It's so much effective like the gold.
और उसमें कहे देवकी नंदन.
And here it is also mentioned Devki Nandan. Why Devki Nandan is there?
देवकी नंदन जहाँ पर
Because Devki Nandan is mentioned there, it is Brajanandan, Yashoda Nandan is there. If we are talking about the Devki Nandan, so it means Yashoda Nandan. So the commentators, our Guru Vargas is telling like this.
जथा महत्व में ऐसे शब्द है, कृष्ण के स्वरूप कृष्ण और गोपियों की सौंदर्य माधुर्य पर प्रकाशित हो रहे. ये कृष्ण कैसे एक इंद्र नीलमणि के भांति प्रकाशित हो रहे हैं.
How Krishna is presenting himself like a jewels of Neelmani,
साक्षात प्रकाशमान
and Gopiyas
और
are glittering themselves, are representing themselves like a gold.
उस समय रासलीला में
At the time Ras Leela, this kinds of beautifulness is described of Krishna. So what's my meaning to say?
जहाँ जहाँ पर
Wherever in the Bhagavad Devki Nandan word is used, so it is, we should understand this is for Krishna, this is for Yashoda Nandan.
देवकी नंदन कहा करके सुखदेव गोस्वामी कहा गया.
So wherever Sukdev Goswami Pad describe Devki Nandan, it means Yashoda Nandan.
इसलिए हम कथा में आइए.
So now we are coming to the Katha.
देवस्तुति जो होते जा रही है, देवकी
Whatever the Devastuti is doing, Detas are doing the Stuti, which is the warm Stuti of Devati, it is actually a Stuti of Yashoda. There is no doubt in that.
किंतु लीला में ये वैष्णव
But in the Leela, there are two kinds of Leela, Aishwarya Leela and Madhurya Leela. So Yog Maya is hiding this Leela.
इसलिए यहाँ पर
Just like,
के गर्भ से क्या हुआ, वहाँ पर आविर्भाव शब्द
so from the womb of Devki, there is a womb, there is a appearance word is used. But from the Yashoda womb, it is birth is word is used.
बालक मातृगर्भ से कैसे लेते हैं, जब जन्म लेते हैं माता के गर्भ के साथ बालक के नाड़ी के साथ क्या रहते हैं, जो नाड़ी छेदन होता है. आज यहाँ पर कोई नाड़ी छेदन दिखाया नहीं. कहाँ पर? कंस के कारागार में देवकी जो बालक के जन्म दिया, वहाँ पर कोई नाड़ी छेदन नहीं.
So when Devki gave the birth from the in the presence of Kans, so there is no nadi chedan, like there is no words like birth is used. There was no jati sanskar, there was no nadi chedan sanskar. Nadi chedan was cutting the nails नाड़ी छेदन क्या बोलते हैं?
शास्त्रीय विचार है। और इसके पश्चात क्या
So there was a pipe from the navels.
माता के गर्भ से उनके है, उसमें जो नाड़ी छेदन होता है।
So nadi chedan means cutting the, what we say, there is a tube which is connected with the mother's navel and the baby's navel. That's cutting that. This is called the jati sanskar.
उस समय जो है माँ बाहर नहीं निकलते है, 7 दिन बाद 10 दिन बाद 21 दिन के बाद उनके शौचक्रिया आदि करके
So after giving the birth of the child, a mother cannot go out for 6, 7 days, 20 days, 21 days or 14 days.
फिर
So first there will shuddhikaran will be happen, then mother can go out. According to karma kands. Na? These all according to karma kands. This is all mentioned.
मंदिर में चले गए, ऐसे नहीं है? देखो यह बात तो देवकी के कर्म से देवकी कर्म
But when-
आविर्भाव दिया कोई स्तुतिकरण कुछ नहीं।
Yes, umbilical cord. Yes, like.
जन्म होने के साथ
Thank you very much. You are so kind.
और करके बोले ये देवकी वसुदेव देखो मेरे स्वरूप के दर्शन करो है, आप लोग मेरे नित्य परिकर्मी है, मेरे स्वरूप के दर्शन करो।
So Bhagwan said himself, you are my associate, just take the darshan of mine.
आप लोग के वही पूर्वजन्म की कथा स्मरण कराता हूँ, ऐसे करके स्वयं भगवान
So Bhagwan when appeared appeared before the Devki and Vasudev, so Bhagwan Narayan himself said, in the first birth you were in the form of Prishni and Sutapa, and you all did the hard austerity. You did the hardest austerity of Narayan, and then you said, Bhagwan, yes, give us son.
हजारों साल तपस्या करने के बाद
So after doing the austerity for thousands years, so Bhagwan given the benediction to Prishni and Sutapa. Then Bhagwan said,
मेरे महाती के पुत्र तुम्हें
so you cannot get the son like me, because I am one and only, no one like me in this world. So no one is like me. So you are asking the son like me, Katur Tapasya,
तपस्या देने के
because you have did the hard austerities. So I will be your son for next 3 verses. सुनो.
तो पहली जो होता है कृष्ण सुतमा मेरी गौर के पुत्र जो नारायण हुए आता है कृष्ण गर्भा।
So that's why Bhagwan's name is Prishnigarva first time.
फिर सर्वलोक में
And the second time there is another katha. Then Prishni Sattva,
कश्यप
they came into the form Kashyap and Aditi.
और फिर
वामन देव
Are
कश्यप अदिति के रूप में कौन है वामन देव के रूप में।
अरे
और ये तीसरी जो है दिखा रही
हाँ,
है
yes, in the why the son of Kashyap Aditi, he came in the form of Vamandev.
बस ये क्या बोले कृष्ण और सुतपा देवकी और वसुदेव
Dev, so Prishni Sattva first they came in the form of Prishni Sattva, and then Kashyap Aditi, and after that Devki and Vasudev.
सुतपा यहाँ पर आकर के प्रवेश किया जैसे ये समझता हमारे
So some Acharya Pad used to describe about that.
हमारी सब्जेक्ट के बोलते ये हमारे सांप्रदायिक विचार का है।
So this is our Sampradaya Vichar.
दूसरी संप्रदाय विचार नहीं लेंगे
So we are not taking that this is Apa Sampradaya Vichar. This is our Sampradaya. This is our Gaudi Sampradaya philosophy.
शास्त्रों में तो ऐसे लिखा है स्पष्ट कर दिया
So when in the scriptures it is mentioned. Yes, this one.
कृष्ण और सुतपा आदि देवकी वसुदेव के रूप में और मेरा
First Prishni Sattva, Devki Vasudev. Prishni Sattva came into the form of Devki Vasudev. So because Bhagwan reminding them, because I have given given the benediction to you for next 3 births, I will be your sons.
भगवान ने कहा
And then Bhagwan said,
ये जल्दी जल्दी मुझे उसमें ले जाओ गोकुल में वृंदावन में ले जाओ
then Bhagwan given the order to Vasudev, please take me from here to Yashoda, Nandalya, Yashodalya. So here the word is used, appearance.
आविर्भाव मतलब कहीं से भगवान की इच्छा जो आविर्भाव तो कहीं भी हो सकता है
So it is the wish of Bhagwan. Bhagwan can appear from, just like Bhagwan can appear from everywhere, because just like Narsinghdev appeared from the stambha, khamba, pillar.
खंडन करता है तो किंतु देखो यहाँ पर जो है गोकुल में जो है
In the Gokul,
प्राकृत शिशु के भांति मां से गर्भ से जन्म जहाँ पर
Krishna took the birth just like a material child. He took the birth like a material child, and he came into the womb of Mother Yashoda, and there is a umbilical cord cut is there, which is called Jati Sanskar. So in this way, anything, the things was happened just like a material words. So in this way, in the Yashoda, he took the birth, and in the Yashoda, in the Devki house, Devki is in the prison, he got appearance. It was appearance there.
मेरा जन्म क्या है, प्रकट क्या है, आविर्भाव क्या है, इसको समझ.
So that's why Bhagavan is saying Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam. So you have to understand what is how I took birth, or how I did everything. So if you make a khichdi, then you have to put pulse, rice, masala, namak, mirch, aloo, potato, whatever you have mixed up, and give the 3 whistles, and after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you will get the khichdi. So just take chakachak khichdi. So in this way, so if you are making everything like a khichdi, so it won't work. So Avirbhav, Prakat and Janma, you have to think about this. Now Maharaj will speak about this Harikatha. So this is all the philosophy of Gaudiya. So we will think about all this. We will talk later. So Bhagwan has beautiful pastime also. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. So give the mic to Maharaj ji. अरे पहले माइक दो भैया, ठीक है. सो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोलो. ओके, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट सो प्लीज रूल दैट आउट. हरे कृष्णा.